Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2017 Audi S3 Technik Quattro. Powering this one-owner all-wheel drive sedan is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission capable of only 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space as well as a kit for your locking lug bolts. Moving up to the interior of the vehicle, you have power adjustable heated mirrors, power adjustable windows with express up and down on all four, your trunk release, the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. On the dash is your lighting controls. You have cruise control just behind the steering wheel, and on the steering wheel is your display controls, hands-free audio, and paddle shifters. This vehicle has only 42,595 kilometers currently. You have a pop-up infotainment unit, your drive select, auto start stop, and rear parking aid, heated front seats, and dual zone automatic climate controls, your gear select, as well as your infotainment options. This vehicle also has a premium leather interior, and both front seats are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun moonroof, cargo nets in the back of both front seats, rear AC, as well as a flip-down armrest and pop-out cup holders. These are also 60/40 split folding rear seats. If you would like to see this 2017 Audi S3 Technik Quattro in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.